My people, oh, wonder shall never end. Come and see wahala. Wahala where koi koi this time around. Come and see wahala for this solo resort. See these people, they no go buy Kabiyesi. Kabiyesi must overcome all their traps and all their problems. So my people, they said allegedly that this Oloris that I don't know whether they have meeting. They stayed together and had meeting and did all of them. As we heard allegedly that Olori Igwe, Blue Blue, Olori Two Face, Ebony Black, they all stormed palace. I don't know whether TikTok follow. TikTok no go follow now because she's busy with her babies. They said that this four that they stormed the palace with as in anger. If you see the kind of level of anger burning in them, they entered with anger. Like, you know how women used to do riots if they want to do riot, their own no dey be small thing. They came as if they are doing riot with their king. Hey, my people. What we heard was that they entered the palace and was like, Kabiyesi, Kabiyesi, na today, you must enter. You must enter and collect. You go collect us woto this today. My people, oh, they said that Kabiyesi was like, which one is you will enter? Have you people drink gogoro? What did you drink? Did you drink alcohol? Hey. And they said that Kabiyesi, oh, you must oh. They said that when the Oloris came, they met if a priest with Kabiyesi discussing. And maybe if a priest was waiting for them, maybe if a priest wanted to leave so that they will have time with their husband. But Kabiyesi was like, he doesn't have time for this Oloris. That if a priest should relax and let them discuss what they're discussing. When they now hear that, when if a priest now hear that, it have been long. For how many months now? How long now? It is only Queen Naomi and Dr. Elizabeth that you have been collecting their woto. You go enter us today by fire by force. Hey, my people, Kabiyesi was like, oh, you people are not serious. You people should respect yourself and allow him discuss what he's discussing. My people, oh, they said that the Oloris they wanted to jam Kabiyesi. You know what it means for a woman. A woman wey want am by fire by force to jam you. Anyway, I know say even if they jam Kabiyesi, the sweetness will not be there again. E no go sweet again, but at least they want to show Kabiyesi that they can do anything, that they are tired of all this time. And don't forget that Kabiyesi is deliberately doing it because we heard that they told Kabiyesi that if you want to avoid these women, if you want to be free from them, stop collecting their mucus and all of that, stop having any conjugal relationship with them. This is only when you will be free. And Kabiyesi was like, hey, no problem. That is why Kabiyesi now decided to avoid them. As we heard that Kabiyesi have avoided them seriously. But they don't stay and see that Kabiyesi, if you avoid us, we are not going to avoid you. You are our husband. You must give us what we want. You must give us. You must touch us. You must enter the other side with us. They said that Kabiyesi was like, you people should respect yourself. Oh. What nonsense is this? And they said that they wanted to jam Kabiyesi. Kabiyesi could not hold himself again. They said that Kabiyesi started running. Immediately, the Ifa priest even left. The thing became too much and serious when Ifa priest left. And the Kabiyesi saw that Ifa priest is no longer there. And he said that Kabiyesi rushed and they entered his room and locked his door. You people should come and force me to enter you. You people should come and force me to enter you. Hey, my people. You see these people, they complain that Kabiyesi, do you think that we don't want to have a child for you? All of us, we want to have a child for you. We want to have a child for you. You are there just collecting it only from Queen Naomi. Collecting it only from Queen Naomi. They think we are not, we are here for maybe childish play. We are here for a mean business. So Kabiyesi, you must give it to us today. They started making noise. It was Olori Igbi and the Blue Blue that have it at head. In short, na dem carry it for their head. They carried it for their head, and I was like, Kabiyesi, you must come. Oh. You're not going anywhere. Oh. Come, come. You will break this your door if you choose to enter your room. Why is it that it's only Queen Naomi that you are giving this thing with Dr. Elizabeth? Okay, now we're hearing that Dr. Elizabeth and Queen Naomi is also pregnant for you. Do you think that he doesn't want to have a child for you? You must come. Oh, they say that Kabiyesi, Kabiyesi ran for his life. You know, women, they complain bitterly that it had been long. But I was like, I'm just thinking, what about those people that is going out there to collect it from their ex-husband? Are they also complaining? Somebody like Olori TikTok, Olori uh, Two-Face, is she also complaining that Kabiyesi must give it to her, that she have missed it so much? She did not miss anything. No. She didn't miss anything because there was a time we heard that she went to that her family house, not family house, the house that Kabiyesi bought for her. That time Kabiyesi said that they should choose a house. I heard that Kabiyesi bought a house for her then. And that is where she kept her children and her mother. In that same house, her first husband, maybe her ex-husband, used to come there and stay. The husband will even come there and stay for some days. Then we heard that she did not sleep in the palace for 1 week. For that 1 week, she will sleep in that house. And in that house, in the same room with the husband. You see? So why is she complaining? Is she also complaining that Kabiyesi is not giving her the other one? So if Mariam them are complaining, she too she will complain. Even the Mariam self, that one that she used to go visit Igbira. Wait, what is she going to Igbira to do? Yes, what is she going to Igbira to do? Is she going there to see her grandmother? Because even her husband self, her ex-husband want her back. These people self, they feel they've meet their husband. It's possible that they are meeting their husbands and they'll just come back to pretend as if nothing is happening. And coming to give Kabiyesi woto saying that Kabiyesi must enter. Kabiyesi must enter that Jerusalem. Jerusalem. Jerusalem that Kabiyesi abandoned for some times now. Let's say sometimes for some months. Although Kabiyesi is working under instruction, it's better he doesn't enter so that he will not get into trouble. Anyway, share my people, don't forget that all of these are all alleged though. But that is what I heard, that they storm palace with anger, saying that Kabiyesi must come in, Kabiyesi must enter. That it have been long, Kabiyesi entered, that they also want to have a child for Kabiyesi. It's not only Queen Naomi. And they say that Queen Naomi knows what she's doing. Tomorrow time, Queen Naomi will be pretending as if she's not in a good time with Kabiyesi. But she knows what she's doing. That they should forget about Queen Naomi. My people, on aside, I take care of this thing, I was like, whether they want to force Kabiyesi or not, Kabiyesi is not going anywhere. He's not entering anything. Let them go back to their different husbands. That is the gist. Thank you, and don't forget to give my video a thumbs up. Love you guys. Bye.